Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Four Roots of the World. Chant. Otura Meyi, Òṣàgriñán, Baba, Risafunfun, Ambawa, Ayé Agbori, Sode Olori, Mehilare, Ni Ayé Àṣẹ Olófin Àríwá Òrun, Òṣíyànì, Àtìwá Òrun, Àtìwá Òrun, Àtìwá Olúwò, Kafirifun, Runmila, Lodafun, Gabogbo Kalenu, Harisa, Suyere, Chant. Baba Alayeo, Lekua, Umbo, Miniyo, Layeyeo, Kunrin, Baba. Story. Òṣàgriñán was commanded by Olófin to descend to earth as the dispenser of civilization. On this sacred journey, he performed òsòdé, divination, with his akpele at each of the four major stops he made across the four regions of space, distributing himself as follows. These four primordial countries were named Ayé Àṣẹ Olófin, the lands made by Olódùmarè, Àríwá Òrun, north of the sky, Òṣíyànì, south, Àtìwá Òrun, and Àtìwá Olúwò, east and west respectively. Each of these lands was founded on a different day of the week. The Òṣíyànì was the last to be born, and with it, the Yoruba people came into being, a people destined for noble greatness. Àtìwá Olúwò was located in the west. Àtìwá Òrun was in the east. Àríwá Òrun lay in the north. Òṣíyànì was in the south. In each of these lands, Òṣàgriñán placed a stone object as a sacred symbol. In Àtìwá Olúwò, a white stone. In Àríwá Òrun, an Odùs thunderstone. In Àtìwá Òrun, a river stone. In Òṣíyànì, a sea stone. He also associated each region with a color, an element, and an Odù Ifa. Òṣíyànì, white and Ejogbe, Àríwá Òrun, black and Yeku, Meyi, Àtìwá Olúwò, chestnut, a mix of red, black, and white, and Uwori, Meyi, Àtìwá Òrun, red and Meyi. Once this cosmic order was completed, the next divine task was to organize humanity through the arrival of the Orishas, who joined with the women of the earth and gave birth to humankind. However, earth remained sparsely populated. Later, the children of Ifa descended from the firmament to preach, shape destinies, and announce the arrival of supernatural beings who would establish lineages. These children of Ifa are the Odùs, personified symbols of destiny. Every clan, every individual, is spiritually tied to an Odù, which defines their destiny. As known, these divine beings emerged from rivers, rose from great communities beneath the earth, descended from the heavens like rain, or leapt down from the trees.